Good day, viewers. I welcome you once again to this channel. Today I'll be showing you how to draw matte geometrical shape. I'll be using this as an example. We'll be using Microsoft Paint. Now to the business of the day. Let's open up our Paint app. After you've opened your Paint app from your desktop, now look at this. This is for colors. This point here is for colors. These are your shapes. And this, you can choose any color of your choice. Now let's draw a circle. Let's draw. Remember, we are using this. We want to draw this particular diagram. We want to draw this diagram. So now let's start with circle. Select your circle. Now there are different colors here. You can choose orange. You can choose remember, you can undo it. To undo is your normal Ctrl Z. You all know that, I guess. Then this is, you can select color, blue color. You can select whatever color you wish. But for the purpose of this lesson, I'll be using black. Now we've selected our circle now. Then you draw your circle. You hold, just left click, then drag out. Left click and drag out, like that. Left click, drag. You see that you can when you remove your hand, remove the click, you can direct this circle anyhow you want it, like that. So let's take it to this point. Then you click. Once you click, you've cancelled the editing. Now let's pick on line. This line, you click on this line, then we draw this. We draw this tangent here. Okay, I don't like how it looks, but you can adjust it like that. Okay, you can undo if you don't like it. Then let's draw a line like that, then let me drag it to this point, like that. Now click. You see, as you click, now we have, now it is advisable, if you want to click, you click outside of the canvas so you don't have blemishes. Now there's the eraser tool. This eraser tool, you can clean anything you want to clean. You get it? So we click back on our line tool, then we hold this point, then drag. You left click with your mouse, then drag to this point, then release your hand, come out and click. You hold here again, you drag out to this point, let me direct it here, then click, then underline. Okay, like that. Let's make this one longer, a bit longer, then click. Then from this point we draw this line like this. Okay, I don't like it like that. Then you can do this to this point. Let's to this point like this. Yes. Now there are angles, so we need curves to indicate angles. So click on this symbol here is for angle. This symbol is for curve, rather. This symbol is for curve. So click on it. Then we at this point we do this. We hold, then we drag out. Remove your hand. Don't click out, because if you click, you won't like what you see. Look, okay, let me show you now. Let me show you. When you click, you see that. So if you want to click, don't click out here, rather click outside. So let me undo it again. Still on our curve to hold here, drag to this point, then hold this. Let me do it again. Hold here, drag to that point. Don't click, don't do anything. Hold, then pull out a bit, like that. Then come out of the canvas, then click. Do the same here, because we have an angle here too, like that. Then drag out, then come out and click here too. Hold, pull, then drag out, then come out and click. Now we are done with all that. Now we want to start inserting our text, and our text icon is this A, this letter A. Click on it, then come to this point, then hold, then drag. So this is a kind of a notepad. We want to type our text here. So we have, you can, and here you can choose whether you want it to be bold, in italic, underlined. You can choose your font size. You know, I'll go with size 14. You can choose your font, any type of font you want, Cambria Mat, Book Antiqua, you know, and all whatnot. But I'm going for comic. I'm going with Comic Sans here. So Comic Sans. So here, type A, B, C, PTQ, then 40 degrees. Now there's no symbol for subscript and superscript, so we have to use the shortcut. So the 40 degrees, to put that degree symbol, click on Shift, Control, Shift, then plus. You see that? Then type 0, then click on it, Control Shift, the plus symbol. It comes with equal to, plus, and equal to. Then space bar, then X, Control Shift, then plus. Then press your 0 again to cancel it. Control Shift plus. Then 70 degrees, Control again, Shift plus, 0. Press again to cancel. Control Shift plus. Now we are done. So let's start selecting all this text and attaching them to this image. So let's start with A. Now note something. Note, it's not enough to just click on select. Make sure it's in transparent. I'm choosing transparent. I have a reason. Okay, let's assume we are not choosing transparent. It is not transparent. So select A. Once you select A, you see the shadow. There's a shadow obstructing this image. Look at it. You see the shadow is obstructing the image. You see, it won't be too good. So what you do is you come to select, click on it, click on transparent selection. So it is transparent already. Now look at, you see, it's no more disturbing it. The shadow is no more having any effect. So put our A here, then B. Select B, put it at this point. C, at that point. P, that point. T, at this point. Q, at this point. Then 40. Select 40. Make this selection, this rectangle, big enough so I can easily pick it. 40, put 40 there. X, put X here. We drag out, hold, release, then hold again, left click, drag, put it here, then drop. It's just your drag and drop function. Now we are done with this. Now the next thing we want to do is to save this image. Now we can't save this image like this because you have a lot of space here. This space it will obstruct the text you want to work on. If you want to work on a document, for example Microsoft Word, you can't just save it like this. All this space here, it will not make your work look nice. You can't type text and all that to be obstructing your image. So what you do is you want to crop it. So you want to crop it. So let's select it first. Select the image. Select our drawing. Let's drag it to this point. Okay, to that point. Good. Then come to this point here, then drag. We'll crop it to that point like that. Then click on save. Let's save it here. Either your Control S or you click on this save icon here. Let's use geometrical shape to save it. Geometrical shapes. Geometrical shape. to save it. Then when I'm done, when you are done, open up your Word. It's not enough to know how to draw. You must know how to insert it in your document. So I want to insert it in this let's assume we've typed a particular question. I want to insert that figure. So here we click on insert, click on picture, then you click on the image geometrical shape that we just saved, like that. Insert. Now we've inserted it. Now you can't work on this diagram. You can't move it any point. You can't take it to the left or right, because there's something you've not done. Now what you need to do is, there's what we call wrap image. You need to wrap the image. So come to the image, click on it, right click on it, then you see wrap text, click on it. Then you can choose either inline width, square, tight, through, top and bottom, behind, text, in front of I rather choose behind text. Now after you've done that, it becomes very easy to move it. You see, you can move it anyhow you want. Now after you've done that, you can come here and reduce it. You want to reduce the diagram. You see, and you've reduced it. You can put it here, you can put it underneath here. If it's too big, you can reduce it further. If it's too small, you can increase it. Hold this point, then drag out, pull it out. You see, it's big. You can reduce, increase, reduce, increase. You can drag to any part of the diagram, any part of the document you want it. Then you continue typing whatever you are typing. So thank you. I hope you've learned a lot from this lesson. I really appreciate you all for your audience. I look forward to meeting you in our next video class. Thank you very much. Please do well to subscribe to this channel if you've not done so, and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified each time a new video drops. Thank you very much.